In today's video, I will teach you how to create a warm golden color grading effect in Photopea. Let's get started. First, launch Photopea and load the image by going to File, then Open. Then select the image layer in the Layers panel and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl-J. Then right-click the duplicated layer and select Convert to Smart Object. This will allow non-destructive editing. Now go to Filter, Camera Raw, and apply the following settings. Then click OK to apply the settings. Now go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, then Curves. Then adjust the points as follows. Now go to Filter, Sharpen, then Unsharp Mask. Then carefully adjust the sharpness without overdoing it for a natural look. Now go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, then Hue and Saturation, and modify these settings. Now go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, then Color Balance, and adjust the following settings. Now we're going to add a vignette. Start by creating a new layer by clicking the New Layer button in the Layers panel. Then select the elliptical marquee tool and draw an ellipse in the center of the image. Then press Shift-Ctrl-I to invert the selection. Then go to Select, then Modify, then select Feather and set the value to 50. Then fill the selection with black using the Bucket Fill tool and press Ctrl-D to deselect. Then set the vignette layer's blending mode to soft light and reduce the opacity to 45%. And you can save your work by going to File, then Export As, and choosing your preferred file format like JPEG or PNG. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.